out and kind of show the swale here, and even my lawn. My door's going to work right today. Yep. My lawn's filled up in here. It's set up the swale out here, but it ain't working super good. And then we got a little puddle there I'd like him to fill. And then this is deeper than ever here now. I might barricade that. I broomed this out, the leaves out of here, so this would flow out even better. And it really is flowing. It's first time all year it's flowed out. And he's got it into this little ditch that heads out there. So we can't really four-wheel across there anymore.